Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and enable skills for your Amazon Echo Dot. It's a pretty straightforward process. What you need to do is go to your Amazon Alexa application in your smartphone and launch it. And this is going to be the same application that you use to initially set up your Echo Dot. So once you've launched the Amazon Alexa app, in the upper left-hand corner, there's the little menu option to click on. So we're going to do that and then go down to where it says Skills and Games and click that. And then it's going to take us over to the Discover page. Now, I recommend scrolling through this and seeing all of the different options that you might have for skills that you weren't even aware were possible on your Echo Dot. You can go through, look at staff picks and just a whole bunch of other different options in there. You can also filter it by categories and look at featured categories and, if you want games and trivia, music and audio, all these different things that you can filter by. But for this example, I'm going to set up Pandora and set up that skill for my Echo Dot. Since I know exactly what I'm looking for, in the upper right hand corner, there's a little magnifying glass that I'm going to click on. And then I'm going to search for Pandora and then click Pandora Radio. And then the top result here is Pandora, so I'm going to select that. And then it's just as simple as clicking Enable to Use. Now, some skills don't require you to link an account. This one, Pandora, does. So as soon as you click Enable to Use, it's going to go over and take you to the login page. But it's just as simple as logging in to your Pandora account, and then you'll have it enabled and ready to use. So then once you go to your Echo Dot, for this example, you would say, Alexa, play Pandora Radio, and then it will go ahead and play your Pandora Radio. So thanks guys for stopping on in for this video. Again, you can utilize this information to not just do obviously Pandora, but different book applications, as well as games, trivia. The list goes on and on. There's thousands of different skills that you can try out. So thanks again for stopping on in. Subscribe for more. Hope to see you back here for future videos.